students, welcome to English class. In the previous video, we studied about tenses. So what are tenses? The way in which the verb changes its form to denote time is called as tense. We studied about present tense, right? The simple present tense, the present perfect tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect continuous tense. And in this video, we will study about past tense. Past tense. A verb in past tense tells us about an action that happened in the past time, that is earlier. Past tense has got four forms. They are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Now let us study each of this in detail. Now, first we will study about simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to express an action that happened in the past and is complete at the time of speaking. Example, the train left at 8 p.m. Here, left is a verb used and it is in simple past tense. Here, the action train left happened in the past and at the time of speaking it is complete. The train left, it is complete now. Simple past tense is also used to express a habitual action in the past. I played tennis when I was in college. So here played is a verb used there and it is in simple past tense and it is used to express a habitual action when I was in college. That habitual action took place in the past. Now let us study the rule to form a sentence in simple past tense. The rule is subject plus V2, that is a past form of the verb plus other words. So the rule is subject plus V2, that is past form of verb plus other words. Let us take the examples given there. He went to school. Here he is the subject. Went is the past form of the verb go. So the base form of the verb is go and past form of that verb go is went. He went to school. To school, there are other words. I ate pizza yesterday. I is the subject. Ate is a past form of the verb eat. So eat is a base form and V2 form is or past form is ate. Pizza yesterday is there are other words. Next, we are going to study about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to express an action going on at a definite time in the past. Let us take the examples. When I visited her, she was singing. Here, was singing, was singing is in past continuous tense. It is used to express an action that was going on at definite time in the past. When I visited her, that is past time, she was singing. So, singing was an action that was going on at a definite time in the past. I was studying for the exam last evening. I was studying. Was studying is in past continuous tense. That action studying was studying that happened or that was going on at a definite time in the past. That means at a definite time here is at last evening. The studying, the action studying was going on. Now let us study the rule to form a sentence in past continuous tense. The rule is subject plus was or were plus ing form of verb plus other words. Examples are given there. Let us check the examples. He was going to school. He is the subject and was. Why was came there? Because he is singular, so we will use was. If a plural subject is used, then we will use were. So here we can use was. He was. Going, ing form. Go is a base form and ing form is going. He was going to school. Next, I was eating pizza when you arrived. I is a subject there. Was. I is singular, so we will use was. I was eating, ing form of the verb eat. Eating pizza when you arrived. Now we will study about past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express a past action that happened before another event in the past. Actually, it is used to talk about two related actions in the past. So let us take the examples. She had left before we reached there. In this sentence, there are two actions that happened in the past. In this sentence, there are two actions that happened in the past. They are she left and we reached. The two actions that happened in the past are she left. That is the first action, and the second action is we reached. So the first action, she left, happened before the second action, we reached. So to express or to denote the first action, we need to use past perfect tense. So the first action here is she left. So we have to denote the first action in past perfect tense. So we have to write she had left. We will use she had left. We will use past perfect tense to denote the first action. And the second action is we reached. We can use simple past tense to denote the second action. Now the second sentence. The patient had died before the doctor came. Here also there are two actions in this sentence that happened in the past. The first action is patient died. Second action is doctor came. These two actions happened in the past, but the first action is patient died. The first action happened before the second action, doctor came. So the first action should be denoted using past perfect tense. So we are using patient had died. Past perfect tense. Patient had died before the doctor came. Now let us study the rule to form a sentence in past perfect tense. The rule is subject plus had plus V3, that is past participle form of the verb. Examples are given there. He had gone to school. He is the subject. Then had plus V3, past participle form of go is gone, G-O-N-E, gone to school. Next sentence. I had eaten all of the pizza when you arrived. I is the subject. Had plus eaten. Eat is the base form and V3 form or the past participle form of the verb eat is eaten. So I had eaten all of the pizza when you arrived. Now we are going to study about past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that started before a point of time in the past and continued up to that time. Examples are given there. She had been sleeping all day when the doorbell woke her up. Here, had been sleeping is in past perfect continuous tense because it is used to express an action that started. This had been sleeping. That action started before a time, a point of time in the past and continued up to that time. Continued up to that time means that time when the doorbell woke her up. Next, I had been driving for 8 hours before I reached home. Had been driving is in past perfect continuous tense. Here, had been driving, that action started before a point of time in the past and continued up to that time, continued up to the time when I reached home. Next, we will study the rule to form a sentence in past perfect continuous tense. The rule is subject plus had plus been plus ing form of verb. Let us take the examples. He had been going to school. Here, he is subject, had plus been plus going, G-O-I-N-G, ing form of go is going, ing form of the verb is used there. Next sentence, I had been eating pizza for 1 hour when you arrived. Here I is a subject. Had plus been plus eating. Eat. The ing form of eat is eating. Pizza for 1 hour when you arrived. So dear students, in this video we studied about past tense. A verb in past tense tells us about an action that happened in the past time, that is earlier. And we studied about the 4 forms of past tense. They are simple past tense, past perfect tense, past continuous tense, and past perfect continuous tense. In the next video, we will study about future tense. So dear students, I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching.